Hey, what is up, everybody? My name is Brandon here at Frazzell Guitars, and today we got interesting. So today we're finishing up on the Guild with the bridge reglue strings on it. If you want to hear that sounds, I can ultimately do a video. I may do a little sound test. I don't know. It depends on if you guys want to hear it. I can do a sound test in a later video of how it sounds. So basically, when I got this guitar all back together, I noticed that it needed a new nut. Or I noticed the nut on it was pretty worn out, pretty thawed out, pretty worn out, all the above on the guitar. And I noticed that it was just not soluble to fix and or to make use of. So ultimately I made the call to put a bone nut in there, which is pretty steady. So I put a bone nut in there, and I went through, redone it, made one from scratch. I used the existing nut as a template, which was pretty cool. Basically, I just went in there and cleaned it up a little bit and put the new nut, got the slots all where they needed to be, and got the nut, cleaned up and looking nice. So ultimately, my goal was to, this guitar played, but it does sound pretty good. Cleaned up. I cleaned the polisher frets up on it. Little small things I did on this guitar to really make a difference. That was pretty much my main goal with this guitar, was to try to make a difference. And with the bridge glue, it sounds great. It plays great. So it's a great little rock. It's had a rough life, but it's a solid guitar. And the Martin. So we level crowned and polished that, which you'll see later on in the video. So we did that, and my assistant Mason, he prepped another guitar for repair, and that's pretty much what we've been doing today, is working on the Guild and then the Martin. So level crown and polish the Martin. Now all I need to do is put new strings on it and level and polish the frets. You guys will hear a demo and see that tomorrow's video. But yeah, I just want to say thanks for tuning in and watching and whatnot. And this is going to be the rest of part of the video, so I'll let the rest of the video take off where it needs to be. Hello family, this is Brandon here, and so on this Guild I got the strings on, and the old nut is just really worn out. So I'm going to be making a new bone nut from scratch here, as you can see. So I will come back at you when that is finished, but ultimately, it just needs a new nut. So therefore, I'm carving one out of a bone blank. So I will hit you on the flip side whenever I get this bone nut made. So this is Le Guild, and that is handmade bone nut. So it is waiting on pickup. Pretty guitar, all good to go. It is waiting on the pickup. So I've got this Martin here on the workbench. So I just showed you the Guild. So I've got this wonderful gray Martin on the workbench here, and it needs a level crown and polish. So it's got a few things, and we're just going to go ahead and level crown and polish this out. So yeah, for sure. So I'm pretty excited about that. So that is next up. This Guild, since this Guild is all finished out. And so we'll be working on that level crown and polish, and I will come back to you whenever that is finished. So yeah. What is up, Frazzell family? So I'll come at you. We've got all these crowned off. So tomorrow we will hit part 2 of this, and we will show exactly playability and set back up and whatnot. So there you guys go. Martin DMX, blah 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 blah. So yeah, tomorrow we'll come back, and thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share at Frazzell Guitars. So yeah.